Hi everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel, and in this quick video I will show you how to set up Google Drive for desktop step by step with the updated way in 2025. This lets you sync your files between your computer and Google Drive easily. So without any further ado, let's get started. So first of all, you just need to visit on drive.google.com. This is actual Google Drive. So when you first open your browser and go to this place, then you just need to be click the setting gear icon and choose get drive for desktop. So here you just need to be go click this gear icon, then select get drive for desktop. Just click over here and it will redirect you to that place. And here actually you can see this is the page. So here you can see it. So you just need to be click download for desktop. So where you will find out this option, you just need to be scroll down. Once you scroll down, there is a option, so you will find out the download drive for desktop. Just click over here and it will take a couple of minutes to download the whole thing. So it is a big size, like around 322 MB. So when it already been download, then you just need to be install the apps. Once the file download, open it and run the installer and then follow the prompts. It is super quick. When it done, Google Drive for desktop will open automatically. So let's keep patience to complete the download. So here actually you can see our Google Drive already been downloaded, so we just need to be install this one in our desktop. So here it will take a couple of minutes to complete the process, so you just need to be keep patience over that place. So here I will just select to the yes. Once I click over here, then here add application shortcut to your desktop and click to the install. So when it's done, Google Drive for desktop will open automatically for you. So here as you can see, our installing in ongoing, so installing drivers, and just click to the launch in Google Drive. And here I think it already been done, so I just need to be search Google Drive, and here you can see it already been open. So you just need to be follow this guideline. Just click to the get started and then click to the sign in. Once you click over here, then it will come up to your desktop. Here I just need to select my application, so I will click this Baraka Technology and then I will click to the sign in. Once I click over here, then it will probably sync with my Google Drive, and here you can see sign into your Google Drive, and here as you can see the processing ongoing. So next, sign in with your Google account. I already show you the same on you use for Google Drive. Once you sign in, you will see the Google Drive icon appear in your taskbar. So this is the easiest way. I hope you love this video. Now let's go and let's finish our whole thing. So here you can see already been done. So here you just need to sync your folder like Google Drive, or you can add, like you can skip it. It totally depend on you. I will select all of them and I'll click to the next. Then you just need to be click on quote and select the image and this one, then click to the next, and then here you can see it. Just click to the next again and see drive file in file explorer. Just click to the open drive and it will be opened right now. So your files are up to date, syncing it is on the way. So once set up, you will see Google Drive as a folder on your computer. Drag and drop files just like any other folder. They will sync automatically to your drive online, and that's it. You are set. So if this tutorial helped you, please like, subscribe and drop a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching. See you on the next one.